Hi, I'm Natalie Danster-Abrahams, and I am so honored to be speaking to you just a few weeks before the 62nd annual IPM convention. I am very excited. I will be on the program on the 21st of October, and I hope to see you there. IPM is an organization that invests a lot of time, money and resources into the development of people, especially within the workplace, and it is a privilege for a businesswoman as myself. I'm the founder of I Matter. I am into people development myself. I believe that every single person out there has greatness within them. They have huge potential, many that is untapped. I believe that each one of us can make an impact in our own lives and in the lives of those that we meet. And what a better place than coming together in the beautiful province of Limpopo in South Africa and meeting delegates from not only all over South Africa, but from different workplaces and people coming in from outside of South Africa, coming together for one purpose, and that is speaking about the development of people within the workplace. We're living in a time and an era where there is so much diversity in terms of culture, in terms of background, in terms of what we bring to the table. And I believe that when we put our efforts and our skills together, we can make such a greater impact. It's going down in Limpopo in October this year. If you haven't booked yet, make sure that you contact IPM. Make sure that you get your staff on board. You know, we are faced with a time where people are exhausted, they are tired, they need motivation, they need hope, they need a word from somebody to encourage them and to motivate them and to remind them that, you know, they have within them what they need to make it out there and to make an impact in their workplaces. And you know, at this conference we'll be learning and hearing from a whole lot of delegates speaking on different topics, and the most important thing is, what are we going to take away from there? We're going to take away experience, stats, policies, frameworks. We're going to take away case studies that have worked for other people. We're going to walk away with frameworks that we can go back into our workplaces and implement for the better of our organizations. You know, building healthy organizations that is going to build up the economy of South Africa and really make an impact in the lives of those. And this year the focus is on youth development. And yes, maybe I'm not a youth anymore, but I feel very youthful in my job and in what I do, working with people, giving back. And I believe that, you know, the time is now for us to be flexible in our thinking and be flexible in how we do things and be flexible in, you know, how we approach matters, because, you know, there is just so much opportunity out there for us to grow, to lead and to impact. We will see you in Limpopo in October 2018 at the IPM convention. This is Natalie Danster-Abrahams speaking to you from Johannesburg, South Africa. Thank you.